So hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video upload from Grow with Donor. I know in this channel we talk about how you can upload your videos, start getting views, start getting subscribers, and be monetized and become successful on this YouTube platform. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you at least 4 YouTube tips on how the YouTube algorithm really works, how your videos are getting views, and where you can really optimize your videos, the kind of location, the kind of places, and you will start getting a lot of traffic. Because if you did not know how YouTube algorithm really works, how your videos are getting views, how the YouTube algorithm are really distributing your videos to different kind of locations, then how did you actually want to generate a lot of views? How did you want to grow your channel, and how did you always want to get subscribers? Now you need to know at least 4 ways on how your videos are getting views on this YouTube platform. If you did not know it, just go to your YouTube analytics, go to the overview, and go to how viewers view your videos, where they are getting to watch your videos. These are places you are getting views. So if you are the type that really knows the kind of keywords people are using in searching through the YouTube browser and your videos are displaying, then this will really trigger you that you need to copy all these kind of keywords and put it inside your channel keywords, so that the moment they search this kind of keywords, your videos, your channel will be displayed. So you need to master all this, which I'm going to share with you today. Now, one of the places where YouTube really generates views for videos is called YouTube search. Yes, YouTube search is, just imagine you pick your phone, you click on the YouTube Red app, and the search, you continue, you just search any kind of content from the YouTube search. You will see that the YouTube will not only bring one content or two content to you. No, it will bring different kind of content that are related with what you really search. So, and what if one of your videos actually pop up as the second or the first? Then it shows that you really optimize your videos very well. Then how do you do this? Is anytime you really want to upload your videos, one thing you need to do is just go to the YouTube Red app, go to the search bar and search the kind of content you have made. Then you will see the auto completion. Copy them down and build your title around them. Build your title around them. And anytime people really come to the YouTube and search those kind of keywords, your videos will be one of those videos that will be displayed to them, and that's how you start getting views. Just imagine you making a video in Nigeria and people from Canada, people from US are watching it. Then you should know that it seems you have really done something very, very right, and that's why your videos are displayed in their location. So the YouTube search is a way of getting views, and you need to optimize your videos very, very well. The tags of your videos must be related with that auto suggestion which you have copied. The keywords, yes, the keywords must be built around those kind of suggestion you have picked. And it's very, very important for you to know that these are ways the YouTube search really works. Yes, so people really build their title around what people are searching. It's a way of you optimizing your videos to get views in different kind of locations. So it's very, very important. Now, the second YouTube tips you need to know is videos usually generate views through YouTube watch page. The watch page is your own home page. Yes. People, whenever they see one video that is interesting, they will click on it, watch it, and they will equally want to visit that person's home page. They really want to visit it and see another video and see how you really customize it. So that's why it's very, very important for you to optimize your watch page, build it very well, ensure the YouTube, let me say, the For You section is included. Many people will just go to YouTube channel and don't customize it very well to attract viewers. No, the banner should be well crafted, the title should be well crafted, and also your videos should be well categorized. And from there, once they click on one video and another video is suggesting to them through your watch page, and that's how you start getting views. These are ways people get views. It is because they really customize their YouTube channel very, very well. Then how do you do this? Just go to your YouTube, your YouTube studio. From there, go to customization, and from there you can go to the home page and click on For You section. From there, you can really customize your YouTube channel, and that's how you start generating more views from your YouTube homepage. It's not more than that. So just imagine you uploading videos and people are watching it through the homepage. Just imagine, incredible. Now, the third tips you need to know is the YouTube recommendation. Yes, let me see auto suggestion. Some people might be watching videos on football, you understand, and your content might likely, displays to them. Don't forget, your content might not be related with football, but eventually your one of your videos just appear to them. It is called YouTube recommendation. That is auto suggestion. It says when the viewers is watching one kind of videos and they really are really interested in it, and the YouTube might just say, okay, since these viewers really like this kind of content, let me suggest this one to him. Maybe he might really like it. You understand? So, and the person, if the person really likes it, they will click it. You understand? And from there, you have start getting views. So, YouTube recommendation is very, very important. And let me say, auto suggestion is very, very important. Then, how do you do this? Is you just go into your YouTube analytic, go to the overview, go to, let me say, just go to how viewers search your videos. From there, copy their keywords, just copy them. After you have copied them, then go on into your YouTube studio. From there, go to the settings and go to your channel keywords. Then input those kind of keywords into your channel, and that's how you start getting recommended. That's how your videos will be suggested to viewers who are watching your videos. So that's why it's very, very important for you to know how to optimize YouTube for recommendation and also for auto suggestion. It's very, very important. When you really optimize your channel very well and you optimize your videos, anytime you upload it, you really optimize it. The tags are correct, the descriptions are correct, and the title are correct. Then you have really optimized your videos for search. So it's very, very important. Now, lastly, the fourth ways you can get views on your YouTube videos is through external sites. Yes, many people will just upload videos without clicking some important, dots, which are very, very important. Now, anytime you upload your videos, just go to the license and distribution. From there, tick embedding. Allow the embedding. This embedding actually makes your video to display on other websites, just like Google. Just imagine, you upload a videos on the YouTube, people who are searching content from Google are now watching your content. Just imagine how incredible it has been. You will generate a lot of views because people are watching videos through Google so much, a lot of traffics every day. So you need to know how to optimize your videos for an external site, and it's going to be an incredible one for your videos. And your channel will start growing the moment you have mastered these 4 ways, 4 YouTube tips on how to get views on your YouTube channel. So incredible one. So guys, based on all this, if you have any comment based on them, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys.
Yeah.